Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install solar incentives research with EnergySage, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin researching solar incentives using EnergySage, visit the EnergySage website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter your zip code to find specific incentives available in your area. Review the list of solar incentives provided based on your location. Select an incentive to learn more about its details and eligibility requirements. Take note of the different types of incentives, such as tax credits, rebates, and grants. Check the expiration dates for each incentive to understand their urgency. Once you have gathered information, compare the incentive's benefits to determine which best suits your needs. Utilize the EnergySage comparison tool for additional insights on solar panel systems. This tool allows you to estimate potential savings and understand payback periods. Next, explore any financing options listed alongside the incentives. View potential solar installation companies available in your area through EnergySage. Read reviews and check ratings for each company to gauge their reputation. Reach out to selected companies to ask questions about their services and financing options. Gather quotes from multiple installers to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of the market. After receiving quotes, review the total costs and how they align with the incentives you researched. Consider consulting with an EnergySage expert if you need further assistance. Finally, make an informed decision based on your research and installer options. Confirm your installation date with the chosen company and prepare for your solar journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.